Haven't seen skid marks that long since I did laundry. Oh, spinning from this speed, that's some dangerous work. I really wish this wasn't locked up. Exactly. Oh. Sliding that back end out on me with them Ultra B brakes. Sir, sir.
Is a crazy cart, a child's toy.
Shoot, let's go second. I got a new helmet and I like everything about it except for the fact that my Dango chin clip is really loose and wiggly on it for some reason. So Tropical Storm Bertha is here. Well, it's mostly in Texas and New Orleans, but we're getting a lot of rain and wind, you know, stormy things here. So I'm gonna go explore and see trees that have been knocked down and stuff like that. Damn, what the hell's going on here? All right, we're definitely getting around this guy. I'm about to blow this guy's doors off in a minute. Maybe when he slows down for that speed bump. Yeah, this'll work. We're getting around him. Holy moly, I'm gonna limit my wheelies just because it is so windy. It's pushing me around the town, Charlie Brown. Leave my headlight on too, just so cars see me and whatnot. Oh yes, that's right. So I'm really liking this new helmet. This bell, it's a BMX full face, not a DOT approved. Holy moly, this road that I always practice my wheelies on, foliage in the road, all them branches knocked down. I don't want to spend too much time here right now just in case a big gust of wind comes by and one of these frail branches falls, clocks me in the noggin, like this stuff right here. Do these pants zip up? Yeah, they do, actually. I can put my phone in my pocket. Sir, sir. It's raining a little bit, just a light drizzle, but honestly, this is the lightest it's been all day. Sliding that back end out on me with them Ultra B brakes. Yes, sir. Oh, I didn't see that branch until the last second. Just plowed over. Oh, heavens. Sliding out that front end. But see, I'm ready for it though, because I already know it's slick out here, so I've got perfect modulation on the brakes where I'm ready to let off them when I start losing traction. Oh, I expected this thing to be way more full of water over here. Oh, that ain't shit. Last time we had a big storm, this whole thing was like a lake, basically. Ricky Lake. It was all filled up. God, I caught a little air off that. I was just trying to wheelie off it, but the lip kind of like booted me. Exactly. Ran over a branch while I was up in a wolf ski. God, it's windy. Put that pocket up. There you go. And we out. Oh my God, that gust of wind literally blew me around. There's even a lot of wind cover from the trees and everything on this road. So if I was over there by the park, I'd be getting blown around like a son of a gun. Speaking of which, let's go over there. Check it out. This road's gotten a lot rougher and like rutted out from the rains. So fucking windy out here. About 20 miles an hour. I'm telling you, that wind is throwing me off big time right now. Man, dirt bike suspension just eats all that rough terrain like it ain't nothing. I really wish this wasn't locked up or there's another entrance somewhere else, because this would be fun to just zip around in there. All right, let's get up on this bark for a minute. Pop her in reverse here. Back me on up. Having a reverse gear is really nice, I ain't gonna lie. Oh. I was trying to accelerate, not spin. Let's see if I did any damage to the grass. Holy moly, did I really skid from there to there? Haven't seen skid marks that long since I did laundry. Excuse me? Oh, spinning from this speed, that's some dangerous work. Oh, what the I was literally about to go ride through here, but it's all overgrown and effed out now. Gotta love a reverse gear. Oh, not when you're going that fast. I'm all caught up in the bushes too. It is so windy right here. I don't even want to. Oh, heck no. Yeah, you can't even wheelie right here. It was pushing me that way. Holy moly, look at these things. They got blown all around. Elbows out. It's either the belt or the jack shaft. Either way, not good. Hate that the bike's making a bad sound, chuggy and rough and whatnot. It's when you accelerate, it seems like the belt is slipping or something. If I was a betting man or woman. Should get a little bit of wind cover. Oh, never mind, it's coming this way, as you can tell from the flags. If it was coming this way, the houses would give us a little bit of protection from the wind. Let's do some slow up high wheelies. Woolskis. So this bike seems easier to wheelie than the RTR. I think it's because it has a longer wheelbase, you have more time to play around the balance point. Regen, which I'm not using at all right now, I'm basically freewheeling or coasting, actually works. There is no regen on an RTR, and even when you get the True Moto controller, the aftermarket one that they offer, and turn the regen all the way up in the app, it's still not nearly as strong as like level 1 on the stock controller. So windy right now. Oh, what happened to that house? Fire, looks like. Dang. Cracked the glass. Oh, that just deuced my shoe. Deuced it. Yeah, this is way easier to wheelie than the RTR. That was the bike I kind of started practicing wheelies on. Oh, that wind done dang blued me. Done dang blued me to the side. Super windy out here today. So bad. It's pushing me side to side. Even though the wind's coming this way, it's still like throwing me off a little bit. Pack it in, pack it up, let Mythic in. Oh yeah, okay, all right, okay. Oh, yep. Oh fuck, here comes that rain. Let's get around this guy. He's a little bit slow on the dro. Slow on the dro. Alexa, cave on.